get?
A ball. Bouncy ball. Your dream come true, Daddy.
What?
We did get another box of robin eggs.
Oh boy. You must know you like them.
What else? Did you got a lot of candy in there?
Look, Mommy. Abby. Pieces. Abby, do you want carrots? Abby, do you want my Reese's Pieces?
That's your Reese's peanut butter cup.
Ooh. I know I don't like
I
them.
like them. Put them back in there. I'll eat them.
Mini eggs. And
What is this?
Peeps.
The dinosaur grow egg.
Oh, wow. What does it grow into?
A dinosaur.
You put it in water and it grows into a dinosaur.
Cool.
It hatches and a dinosaur comes out.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom, Mama.
All right.
Don't let go get my candy.